Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Walmart. We're going to be looking at the gift center, the tool gift center from Walmart. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy tools like this to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes, so help us out. Yeah, to start here, we've got a 3-piece or a 2-knife set here with like it says 4-piece combo set. Bottle opener and a keychain and a nice case there, and 2 knives. Then we got a Everest 1000 lumen flashlight, spotlight. I guess it is rechargeable. That's one thing I like about these lights. It does include a wire, a USB cable, so you can charge it. Here's a power inverter from Everstart. Don't expect to power a lot with this guy. It's only for small little things, lights and cell phones and stuff like that. Got some jumper cables, $15 on the bottom there. $29.97 for the 600 lumen Everstart Max. It's a nice light. And then you got an inflator for $20. It looks like a 12 volts. Then you got a emergency kit there at the bottom. Don't know exactly the price. And then you got like a 67-piece screwdriver set. It's like a lot of bits and some extensions and stuff like that. You got a 54-piece 1/4 3/8 drive socket set. $10. You got a 50-piece drill bit set. $10. You know, these sets are just for DIYs. These are for light duty use around the house. Drill a small hole, that's it pretty much. Nothing professional. You got a rotary 208-piece rotary set for $10. Like I said, this is mostly for DIY. Then you got a what is this, a 6-piece or 33-piece home use gift set. I don't see the other pieces. I only see 6, but I guess they're in there. $4.87 for the 12-in-1 multi-tool. You got different colors you guys could buy. These are good stocking stuffers. I mean, they're not gonna last forever, but you know, it's something little you can get somebody else. 6.75-inch foldable knife. I can't talk today. $4.87. So like I said, a lot of this stuff is fairly inexpensive and just like stocking stuffers and fill the bag up. $15 for the 6-piece combo kit. Has a wallet and like a survival device there, and a multi-tool and a knife. And then $15 for these. You got different little sets there, 5-piece combos. $15 for a 4-piece with the pen. And then these guys, these are $12, guys. The shop lights, 5,000 lumens. You got daylights, so they're not gonna be the yellow, they're not gonna be the white, so they're gonna be a little in between. So these are really great deals. Check out your nearest Walmart for those deals. And they got this one for $39, just under $40. It does include a drill and some blades or some bits, some drill bits, a hammer, some pliers, adjustable wrench, just the basic kit there for under $40. I mean, for the DIY, that's a great little kit. Don't expect to do a lot of projects with that drill though. Just a few little small ones. $99 for the pressurized cleaner. 6-inch random orbit sander, $35. And that's the cleaner, the pressurized vehicle cleaner. Hand vac, $29.76. These are all battery operated tools, by the way, if you guys don't know. Got a rotary for 69, a light for 39, an inflator for 48. It's a nice inflator. You got a nice spotlight there for 44, 2,500 lumen. You got a drill there for 69, drill or impact driver. These are brush tools, by the way. Got a kit there for 94 and a polisher there. Now you got a circular saw, or not a circular saw, a reciprocating saw. Got an angle grinder, 4.5 for $44.88. Circular saw for 69, sander for 44. And you got another sander there for 29. You got a fan there for 29, a 2-speed fan. So pretty nice little deals here for DIYs. $59 for that kit. Reciprocating saw, drill driver, impact driver. $39.88. $39.88. And then you got the angle grinder for $17.83, I guess. It is corded, I believe. Got a nice circular saw there. I don't know exactly the price. Got a sander there for $17.83. A reciprocating saw for $28. Then you got some blades. You got a 10-inch for $14.84. A 6.5 for $9. $4.24 for the 7-inch cutoff. And 7.25, 24 teeth. These are just basic blades, by the way. These are not finished. Nice blades. Got some reciprocating saw blades. A 9-inch for $8.47. And then $5.88 for the pruning. You got some more blades here from Hyper Tough. And guys, if I'm going too fast, feel free to rewind the video or pause it. I try to put like a freeze on each item so you guys would, get to see the item better. But like I said, these drills are just really basic. Don't expect to do a lot of projects with this. Maybe just basic projects. You got some more bits there from Hyper Tough. These are really basic bits. I would recommend you go at least hard. $6.88 for the hole dozer, or the whole saw kit. And then you got a 29 piece for $14.97. A 15 piece for $7.24. 50 piece for $8.88. And then this is a nice kit. I do have something similar to this. $7.63. You can put this on your drill and pretty much clean whatever your metals or whatnot. Got a nice extension there for $8.94. You can put that in drill driver or impact driver. So it's a really nice extension there. $9.88 for the socket adapters. 3-piece. Yeah, you got a lot of little bits and adapters here. You guys could get. You got some more nut sellers, nut drivers for $9.88. Got some more bit kits there for $7.97. I just try to get a closer shot there for you guys. $7.97 for that. It's a 15 piece, I believe, with the case. It's a 40 piece. And you got a 70 piece there, which will get a clearer picture there for you guys. 29 piece for $24.88. Those are the titanium. Usually titanium means that they're a little better. I would definitely go with titanium if you're going to buy anything. Me personally, I like to go with Milwaukee, Makita, those brands. But if you're in a hurry, these are great. These will work great for you. Especially if this is an emergency situation where you're stuck in the middle of the night and you got a 24-hour Walmart you can stop in and pretty much pick up the tools that you need and finish the job, or you got a broken pipe or something and you need to fix it in the middle of the night. $54 for the 2-amp hour. Then you got a right angle adapter there, which doesn't have a price. You got a USB device there for $19.88. a USB powered device. You can put the battery in there and charge your phone with that. So you got some more. You got some spike bits. It looks like a 6-piece for $11.44. You got a light there for $19.88. And yeah, guys, I like to come to Walmart to get my vacuum accessories. Like these are for the smaller vacuums. But you got the bags here. You guys could get the bags and use them on your other vacuums. As long as you can fit that hole, the round part, then you're pretty much good to go. But yeah, as you guys know, that this is actually cheaper than the competitor. So that's a 4 to 8 gallon for $10. A 3-pack, 4 to 8 gallon. I was looking for the bigger one, which is the one on the back there, $14.64. Still not a bad deal. So I would definitely check it out if you guys have a vacuum and you guys don't want to spend so much money on these bags. And that's the 10 to 14 gallon. So that's the bigger size that they have for the bigger vacuums there. That's a little vacuum, 1.5 gallon wet and dry vacuum, $24.84. You got a 16 gallon 6-peak horsepower, $74. Some of these prices are mixed, so if there's any, usually they'll have them okay, but this store somehow on the other side it got really mixed up. So you guys will see what I mean about that. So you got a nice vacuum there, $69 for that one for the 16 gallon. They still have the Shop Vac brands, at least one of them. You got some pressure washer nozzles. So a really nice place to get your parts here. Like I said, it's very convenient. They're open all the time. So you got a foam cannon there, up to 3,800 psi, $39.88. You got a foam blaster there for $18.88. Got a hose there, 25 foot, $35. And then you got, I believe, through $2.34. And you got a wand there, pressure washer wand trigger, with the quick connect at the end. And you got a pressure washer there, 13 amp. And then guys, they're having a lot of accessories now. They got these sawhorses here. Like I said, some of the prices were mixed up, so disregard some of the prices. I would just look them up on Walmart.com. And that's a nice box there. Yeah, that's a totally different item there. Or HR22 actually. It's a smaller box, not that one. I was just trying to compare the numbers there. But yeah, it's a really nice box. I really like the combination, the blue and the black. And everything seems pretty decent quality. The plastics, everything. So if you guys haven't checked that out, go check it out at your Walmart and see if that's one of the toolboxes that you want to go into. Because they're fairly inexpensive. They're not that expensive. They're cheaper than the competitor. And for an okay quality, that's pretty good. And they got their own rolling box too, so we'll show you guys that at little 22-inch toolbox, heavy duty metal latches there. I believe that's in the wrong spot there. I was just trying to look for the prices, and it was just, that's the backpack for $29.84, which I didn't see the backpack, which is crazy. Everything's mixed up. It does have like an organizer, and it doesn't feel flimsy. It feels pretty solid. So I was actually surprised about the quality from Walmart. Then I like that one. This one has a low rolling, has 2 casters as you can roll it Then it does have a clear case on the top there, as you guys see. And that wasn't $10.94. I was, like I said, wrong place. But it's a really nice box. It does have a handle, and it does have a clear case on the top. And metal latches there, or locks. And it does have some guides, so you can, when you open it, it goes back like the old toolboxes from before. I was trying to get it open. As you guys see there. And then that one is a 26-inch toolbox with the handle on the top. It's a nice toolbox. At this point, I don't know if it's 1997. It's just, like I said, this Walmart's mess. $24.97. I guess this it is $24.97. It's an 18-inch organizer, like a toolbox / organizer. And then you got another organizer up here, $14.86. Got some safety glasses, $9.88. Some gloves, $3.88. Nitro dipped. Got some hard performance fit gloves, $14.88. Then some leathers there to the left, $13.88 from Hypertough. Then $14.88 for those. And then that's the case, the rolling toolbox case that I was telling you guys about. You guys could get this pretty cheap. I believe it's $74. I was just checking the prices there, but yeah, I believe it's $74. Get this nice 3-piece rolling toolbox set there. So it's not a bad deal. And pretty nice. I like those colors. Definitely. And then you got some racks here. It's like a 4-tier rack. It's plastic, so don't expect to put your heavy duty parts in there, your heavy parts. And that's another tag from another. And then that's the work table. It's like the Kidder. I do have the Kidder one. I don't think it's $29.84. I couldn't find the price for it. Should be around $60 around there. And it does include 2 clamps, by the way. So I really like the quality on mine. I use it for my miter saws and if you're cutting wood and stuff like that. And that's the 36-inch 5-drawer toolbox. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.